wearing this wig to work all week, okay? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a wig review sent to us by our good friends at WigTypes on this really simple, cute unit from Main Concept. I'm just gonna show you guys how I put it on and then I'm gonna talk to y'all in the outro. This was very easy, okay? This wig is cute, y'all. I'm really feeling these curls. I'm feeling this look. I'm here for all of this. So this is, it says Nature Match. It's the style RCNM203 ALIYAH, and I have the color number 2. I'm just gonna read some benefits or specs. It says benefits, okay? So I'm just gonna read that off the start card real quick. It says it has a HD invisible lace, body volume, 4-inch deep lace part. Yes, we have that. It says skin tone adapting lace. I like that they said adapting because we need to adapt with these laces, but it's okay. We adapted. It comes with baby hairs, hand-tied lace, flexible comb straps, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you guys see what I'm looking like is not really what's on the stock card. This style is really cute. Fresh out the pack, she's cute. She is your classic afro kink curly hair. I wanted to get more of like a kinky look to her, so I fluffed her out. These curls were super defined, and I feel like over time you don't have to finger comb your unit first fresh out the pack, because my curly wigs that I have, they fluff out over time. Synthetic curly wigs will fluff out over time, but I wanted to, you know, give y'all a look. And I do like kind of a wear look. Sometimes I fluff it out, sometimes I don't. It just all depends on how I feel. Initially, I was going to go in with exactly how this looked, with that part in the middle, boom, boom, boom. You know, she was okay, she was cute, but this wig was giving me like, I don't know, I felt like I had to frame it a little bit, so I did cut it up. And then as I was doing that, this really reminded me of a high-end wig that I recently reviewed. So I cut some bangs in here, just kind of framed it a little bit to my face. You don't have to do that. You can do whatever you feel like you need to do with this wig, but I feel like this look is cute. This is definitely a dupe for some high-end wigs that look like this, if you understand what I'm trying to say. I like this. It's definitely a curly, kinky look. If you fluff it out, you can look more kinky, but if you keep the curls, you definitely will look more defined and synthetic-y. So I think you need to kind of fluff it out, but like I said, it will happen over time. Really simple. I am getting a little bit of shedding with this wig. It's fine. It's synthetic, and the fact that it's curly, I'm not gonna be keeping my fingers in it. I like this wig, y'all. I think she's cute. That part was a little bit tight to me. I did go in with powder and do all that stuff, but I ended up not doing it. And I was pulling some hair out. I feel like you need to pull some hair out and put some powder to open it up if you are gonna wear it with that part. But I went in with the bang, and bam, bam, she's a banger. I like her, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this. What would you do with this wig? That's the beauty of wigs. Like, just because it comes one way doesn't mean you need to wear it that way, okay? Definitely customize the wig the way you like it. Style it the way you like it. Just because I said I cut my bangs, I did this, I did that, you don't have to do that. If that doesn't work for your life, don't do that. Do what works for you, okay? I absolutely do love her. I feel like she's a great plop and go. This is that wig that's like, oh, I need something to put on my hair real quick because I gotta get out the door. Thank you again to WigTypes for sponsoring this video. Make sure you drop me a comment. Tell me how you feel. Hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.